सितंबर तिमाही नतीजों का जो सीजन है वो फुल जोरों पर है। इसी कड़ी में गैलेक्सी सर्फेक्टेंट्स ने अपने सितंबर तिमाही के नतीजे जारी किए हैं। मुनाफे पर नजर डाले 100% का उछाल दिखा है, 84 करोड़ रुपए ये दर्ज हुआ है। इसी दौरान मार्जिन आय पर नजर डाले अच्छी बढ़त दिखी है। इन्हीं नतीजों पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ गैलेक्सी सर्फेक्टेंट्स के प्रमोटर और एमडी यू शेखर साहब जुड़ चुके हैं। मिस्टर शेखर सर, गुड मॉर्निंग, बहुत स्वागत है आपका। सर, सबसे पहले तो नंबर्स आपके अच्छे रहे हैं, ऑपरेशनली रिजल्ट्स दे लुक गुड, स्ट्रॉन्ग, पैट दुगना हो गया है। कुछ हाइलाइट्स बताइए सर इस तिमाही के।
हाइलाइट जो है, सी कंपेयर टू पिछले क्वार्टर्स जो है, सप्लाई चेन की और लॉजिस्टिक्स और फ्रेट की जो है काफी चैलेंजेस थी। ये जो है अभी धीरे धीरे सुधार हुआ है इनमें। आजकल जो है availability of containers, supply chain, entire thing has eased up. Freight rates have dropped down, though not as much as pre-COVID levels. So we are able to plan better as well as plan towards, let us say, leaner inventory. So these are the sort of highlights. India has done pretty well. India, we have had a volume growth of almost 8% in this last quarter. And for the first half, almost 5.5%. Similarly, rest of the world has grown in volume by about 2.4%. However, I think AMET region has been a challenge where our volumes have declined by almost 19%. So that overall, as far as the company is concerned, compared to the same period last year, our volumes have declined by approximately 3.5% or so. So overall, I think I would say this particular half has been a stable half for us, where we have grown our shares in the markets that we are operating in. And as looking forward, I would say one particular challenge that we see is the stress on consumption because of inflation in the various markets, whether it is in India or AMET region or the rest of the world. And this is something that, puts a stress on consumption. But if we are able to overcome this particular period, we would say that at the end of the year, we look forward to, with optimism, volume increase on an overall basis of approximately 2 to 3% or so.
Okay.
So we look forward to the future with optimism. And I mean, that's where we are today.
सर, आपने काफी हद तक न सिर्फ इस तिमाही बल्कि आगे की तिमाहियों के बारे में पूरे वित्त वर्ष का ब्यौरा दे दिया, विच इज अ गुड थिंग। सर, एक्सपेंशन के फ्रंट पर मैं जानना चाह रही थी कि ये वित्त वर्ष कैसा है। आउटलुक तो आप शेयर कर ही चुके हैं, एक्सपेंशंस किन एरियाज में कैसा होता दिख रहा है?
See, we have commissioned 2 important projects in this year. Other capex expansions, the work is going on. As usual, we incur 150 crores every year, which we would do that even this year also. On maybe possibly the next 2 to 3 years, our capex will be amounting to approximately 150 crores. Okay, so these are in the context of the various specialty ingredients, debottlenecking of certain performance surfactants, whether it is in India or in Egypt. Okay, so these are continuing in terms of preparation for the future, where we see whatever we see today, we look at them as certain temporary challenges and problems but in terms of the long-term outlook, we look forward to with a lot of optimism as far as this industry is concerned.
अगर आप बता सके, मार्जिन इन्हीं लेवल्स पे बरकरार रखने की संभावना है? आप कह रहे हैं सप्लाई चेन की दिक्कतें दूर हुई हैं, फ्रेट रेट्स नीचे आए हैं, काफी सारी कमोडिटीज की कीमतें भी हमने देखा है हाल फिलहाल में काफी नीचे आई हैं, मार्जिन्स मेंटेन रहेंगे? आगे का आउटलुक?
See, if you see हमारी जो EBITDA per ton जो है, which is a measure of performance that we talk about, for the first half, it has been approximately 24.5 rupees. We expect, as far as the full year is concerned, this year to be at about between 21 to 22,000 per ton, that is 21 to 22 rupees per kilo. But what needs to be remembered that this EBITDA per ton is reflective of a little lower volumes. We have declined on volumes, and performance surfactants have been challenged. there has been a stress and at the mass and masstige end of consumption. Number two, this EBITDA has also been driven by exchange depreciation. As you know, the rupee has depreciated from 76, 77 to almost 83, today. We have also seen sharp drop in terms of commodity prices, whether it is lauryl alcohol or even the freight rates. So these have been contributory to the EBITDA per ton number that we have talked about. So as far as this year is concerned, in terms of the volume growth expectation that we have, we expect to close this year with an EBITDA per ton of between 21 to 22 rupees per kilo.
टेकन सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, इट वाज अ प्लेजर स्पीकिंग विद यू। आपने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझा दिया कि ये तिमाही कैसी रही है, ये वित्त वर्ष अभी तक कैसा रहा है, एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड हमारे जो दर्शक हैं, जो निवेशक हैं, वो क्या उम्मीद करके